Welcome students. Good afternoon all. So today start our third chapter revision again. So firstly, repeat our last topic few minutes only last day. So our chapter is physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Especially we will discuss our topic is today physical fitness, wellness, lifestyle, meaning and importance. So firstly, we will describe only meaning of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. First is especially main is physical fitness. So physical fitness is there is no common options about the concept of physical fitness, as different people have different views about it. For a common man to have a good physique is a symbol of physical fitness. For a doctor, it is the proper functioning of physiological system. This is a physical fit. For a player, it is the perform game related movement for long times. It means full time of without fatigue. This is physical fitness. So dear students, main is the few according to authors different definition. So Dr. Arlen, physical fitness capacity to meet the present physical challenges of life with success. This is main is physical fitness. So firstly we will describe is the main common is physical fitness is physical fitness means the capacity to do the daily rotation work without any stress, or at the end of the day still have some energy to do some potential emergency. And after doing work, an individual should not feel tired, so after finishing the work to recovers faster. That is physical fitness. This is the meaning of physical fitness. After this, second is meaning of wellness. So meaning of wellness is the especially well balanced life means balance of physical, mental, social, emotionally, intellectual and spiritual life of an individual. So main is balance is the capable of an individual. Okay, this type of balance improves the optimum level of capabilities of individual. In other words, we can say the well balanced life means physical fit or active positive mental abilities, well adjust social life, emotional balanced life and good spiritual life. This is wellness. So after this, new is meaning of lifestyle. So meaning of lifestyle is the lifestyle is a way of life or style of living that reflected the attitude and value of a person of group. So one more meaning of lifestyle is the typical way of life and individual, group or culture. Okay. One more is according to American Heritage Dictionary, a way of life or style of living that reflects the attitudes and value of a person of persons or group. Yeah, lifestyle. Yeah, one more. Lifestyle is the pattern of behavior or way of an individual's life. This is meaning of lifestyles. So firstly we will discuss is the importance of physical fitness and wellness. After then discuss the importance of benefits of lifestyles, physically benefits and psychological benefits. This is two types. So main is firstly describe is importance of physical fitness, wellness. So main is physiological importance. So physiological importance is physical fitness and wellness both are importance is same, and lifestyle importance is benefits is the difference. Okay, so physiological and especially importance of physical fitness and wellness. First is physiological fitness importance. So physiological importance is main. Physical fitness and wellness helps in keeping various body systematic and various system like especially muscle system, circulation system and digestive system, one more respiratory systems and regular regularly exercise. This is physiological importance. Next is especially channelize of surplus energy. So channelize of surplus energy is the main physical fitness and lifestyle programs are healthy outlet surplus energy to adolescence which otherwise can lead them towards antisocial activities. After then, next point is hormones growth and development. So hormones growth and development is the all living things grow the develop with age, perform of regular exercises helps in hormones growth and development of child who regularly individual in physical activities has better growth of muscles and his control over the muscle is also better. Okay, this is the hormones growth and development. After this, next is total efficiency in improved. So total efficiency is improved, the total output of an individual increased to a great extent. He is able to perform more work if it may be of mental or physical type. His fatigue is delayed and therefore he can perform work for longer directions. His recovery from fatigue is faster and quickly and healthy lifestyle. So after this, next is especially prevention of cardiovascular diseases. So prevention of cardiovascular diseases is the a physical fit person has lesser chances of getting and kind of cardiac or respiratory diseases or disorders like blood pressures, asthmas, extras. Okay, so after this, next is avoid various deformities. So avoid various deformities is the main, especially participation in fitness, wellness and lifestyle programs also help in avoiding various deformities and diseases like deformities of spine, kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, deformities of legs, especially knock knee, bow legs, extras. So through physical fitness and wellness and lifestyle program, we attain good shape, size, structure and controlled weight. Okay, this is main avoid various deformities. After that, next is the main development of social qualities. So development of social qualities is we learn various social qualities which are very useful for better adjustment in society like discipline, cooperations, friendships, kindness, helpfulness, extras. This is development of social qualities. After that, next is knowledge about balanced diet and personal hygiene. So knowledge about balanced diet and personal hygiene is the most important. So fitness, wellness and lifestyle programs give us knowledge about the importance of balanced diet and personal hygiene. So we also learn to keep environmental clean and safe. Okay, this is knowledge and balanced diet and personal hygiene. So maybe one more importance also is, for example, better management and stress and tension, improvement of better ability. This is all for importance of physical fitness and wellness. So I hope you understand this topic, especially importance of physical fitness and wellness. Okay. Next is main is second topic is lifestyle. So lifestyle is the main. Lifestyle is firstly physically benefits. Okay, meaning also is described. So main lifestyle meaning is many according to different options, different lifestyles. Meaning for one meaning is, for example, lifestyle is a pattern of behavior or way of an individual life. So main is the especially benefits of healthy, positive and active lifestyle are main listed below. For example, physical benefits. So physical benefits is the main. A physical fit body, it has better coordination of muscles, better strength, flexibility, endurance as well as stamina. So while a high level of physical fitness is certain a prerequisite for athletic performance. A decent level of it is also required for efficiency and efficient functioning of the body to do everyday activity. This is especially fitness also result in strengthening the immune system that makes a person less susceptible to infection and diseases. This can positive impact or work performance, improving the overall quality of life. This is the increased physical fitness. After this, next point is main, especially better postures. So better posture also is the main is physical benefits. First is main, one of the benefit of active lifestyle is better posture. So poor posture can lead to regular body arch. It is also one of major causes of injuries and often can lead a bigger problems later in life. So proper exercises regain promotes better posture, helps in maintaining the backbone straight as well as strengthening and stretching of muscles. After the next point is especially maintained body weight. So maintained body weight is switching to healthier eating habit like intake of a balanced diet and eating lots of seasonal fruits and vegetables can keep a check or excessive weight gain. So excess weight gain acts as a precaution for a number of diseases and illness like diabetes, high blood pressures. After the next point is made improved heart health. Okay, improved heart health is a healthy lifestyle can aid improved heart health, then prevention cardiovascular diseases. Exercises for 20 to 30 minutes 3 times a week strengthen the heart and makes the heart health. Healthy heart is capable of supplying regular blood and oxygen to the entire body, making a person feel much more energetic. Next is main increased long active. Okay, long active means a person who lives an active physical life, eats a balanced diet, avoid unhealthy habits like alcohol, smoking, and maintain a balance between work life and personal life, and spends time with his family and add years to life to or has an increased lifespan, long active. Okay, so after the next is psychological benefits. First is physiological benefits, second is psychological benefits. So first is increased energy level. So a healthy lifestyle certain increase a personal energy level, and energetic individual is more active and has better productive in day-to-day living. So much more work can be accomplished in leisure time with high energy levels. So next is reduce feeling or depression. So reduce feeling is main, a non-active or unhealthy person has lower energy level and cannot accomplish much in all aspects of life. This may lead to a feeling of failure, a depression. However, an active person has a fit body, better circulation of blood and oxygen and higher energy level, and is more productive whether at work or in personal life. Okay, the result of higher sense of achievement and reduce the secretion of hormones that can causes or lead to depression. So after this, last point is a higher self-esteem. A higher self-esteem is main yet another of the several benefits of a fit body is an improved self-images. A fit body leads to self-confidence, improved body images, self-awareness, and higher self-esteem. This is a higher self-esteem. Okay, so I hope you dear students, you are understand this topic, especially physical fitness, balance, lifestyle, and meaning and importance. So any student, any doubt for this topic, so especially send message me this number. Any student doubt for this topic, anyone, so send message this number. Thank you dear. So after then revision for again this topic.